go up against each other. Of course, let's look at the first one. Joining us in the commentary box. Hello, Naveen.
Hi, my elder brother. It's not going to be Shivam Singh, but that's okay. You know, whenever his first raid, I did not say the first raid of the match. Oh, toe touch! Massive, massive, big toe stamp on the left cover. Tejas Raut needs to go back. And what a zero angle place that he's got the toe touch from. And my elder brother Ryan plays a lot of basketball. Ryan.
Mumba, as they will score. And look at this. It's Gilly who's got in on the stands interacting with all the fans of Yuva All-Stars. And Shivam Singh seems to have gotten a point here.
Jersey number 18 out.
Because Tejas Raut was...
Well, and given the fact that he's often dealing with bonuses, we love to give these players those nicknames. It is important, and who knows, he might prolong it, and it might be one of those names he retires with also in years to come. As the Keshav here went into deep on that left side, and the support coming through for Yuva Mumba to pin him down.
Yuva Mumba.
And who? Let's watch out. It's 5 defense format, the Yuva Mumba. So you don't know who's going in for the ankle holds. And look at this. Oh, that's a back dupki. That is nice.
1 point. Yuva Mumba.
Prithviraj Shinde.
Out.
Oh, well.
Has allowed Yuva Mumba try and stay in this game, and here can he get through? No, he cannot. And Ravi and co for the Yuva Yodhas stop the Yuva Mumba Raiders yet again.
But the first time, if we can get Raider out, yes.
Yuva Yodhas.
Yeah, clean tackle that was. If we can get our eyes on the coach of Sandeep Singh, the Yuva Mumba coach. Big shocking stories about him as well. Yeah, this tackle point will go to Shivam Singh. But Ravi Bhati holds, right? He doesn't go down deeper to get the ankle hold right. When a raider is charging against you, either you've got a frontal block or you need to sit down and have the ankle hold. But this is a nice block. Yeah. Raghuvanshi has been dashed away from Sachin Singh. That's a bit of a competition between themselves that I don't know, man, really.
That is something new that we are coming up with here in the Yuva All-Star Championship. It came here first, the graphic operator's curse. And here Prem Mandal will try and figure out who cursed him, because he did not see that coming. And Yuva Yodhas do it once again, as the all-out has been inflicted on their opposition. Yuva Mumba succumbing to it in this occasion.
He is also a hotel management student. Ah, now Lokesh Gosalia says enough is enough. Under 10 seconds.
1 point.
He says, come on.
Mumba.
What is happening? I cannot take this all out lightly. The moment Keshav went in, Lokesh Gosalia said, thank you for those legs. I will ask Prithviraj Shinde to open up his wings and go for the hand touches. And no mistakes in the defense. That's what he said. Wonderful. And you know what? Oh, right. He does not use the hands. Ryan. And Jwalaram gets a block.
1 point. Yuva
Goes
Yodhas.
out. And Sandeep has that accent of Jammu. He hails from Jammu. And he did not expect Prithviraj will not execute what he asked him to do. Nagar on that left corner. So yeah, Ryan, you know what LOCC is, right? In the Yuva All-Star Championship. Ankle hold! Ankle hold! That's the first ever ankle hold from Chetan Chowdhury in this championship. What a big innovation that he's brought about. Sandeep Singh is happy. Wow! You may be following Yuva All-Star Championship. Do or die red! What a lovely back jump! Brilliant! Now, if you also go to the Yuva Insta page, you will know what LOCC is all about. But what a nice jump, back jump. Naman Singh had
1
no
point.
clue about
Yuva
this.
Mumba. Jersey number 5
Brilliant escape from Prithviraj Shinde. Definite India 1-star moment of the match.
Red.
Do or die.
I am waiting for you, Ran. It's do or die raid on do or die raid. What is it? Ankle hold!
I'm going to look at
Lokesh Gosalia.
Bonus point.
Yeah, bonus.
Yuva
Yes,
Yodhas.
he's got it.
Red out. 1 point.
Sushant
Yuva
Singh,
Mumba.
but ankle hold. Yeah. Where are you looking up to? Last player standing. And after the all-in, I want to know how many points from the Yuva Mumba team. So yeah, after the all-out, our elder brother Cheta will tell the answer about this. Bonus, yes.
1 plus 2, 3
And of course, our data
Yuva
team
Mumba. All out.
The Kadamba team will give us the numbers after the all-in. Yuva Mumbai have come in and just equalized this. What a massive comeback in the last 10 minutes. Amazing, amazing. After the all-in, it has all been Yuva Mumbai. We will just confirm the points. And I'm pretty sure when you got LOCC, what is that?
No,
Partner that came. And I did not plan that, by the way.
I'm sure you head back to the hotel. You will have extra compliments from Hyatt Place just for you, Naveen. And I don't think Abhimanyu is going to have something similar. By Yuva Yoda's defense, a good start for them, as the coach is also impressed.
Yeah, I'll tell you, as the compliments you're talking about, it's all about the talk that I do. Don't fetch for compliments, you know that, no, my elder brother. Shivam Singh. Yes, 26 पे है और 25 पे पहुंच गया युवा मुंबा. The way I said I am 25 because of a technical point. Yeah, because of a late entry on the raid. Yuva Yodhas have given away a technical point to Yuva Mumbai. What a lovely camaraderie this on the commentary box. I don't see or listen or think. Oh, that's a nice block from Deepak Kudu. Nice camaraderie here as well in the defense. Sandeep Singh is very, very clear in what he wants. Ryan, tell me, camaraderie? I don't see that happening in probably Border Gavaskar Trophy as well. What's it?
Oh, never. Never. You name any.
Paused them nicely. He's got a high five as well. Sachin Singh, he's also always performing and supporting the defense of the Yuva Yodhas. And running! Hand touch attempted. But he goes down on that occasion. Krishan Nagar. See, this is what Chetan Chaudhary lacks. When a raider is running against you, see what Krishan Nagar does. He goes down, has that ankle hold very firm and nice. This is what Chetan Chaudhary is probably taller than me, ran. And he knows his best. His best skill is the kick. Shivam Singh now. The bonus da Gabru. Oh, what a nice name. And today we were just talking in the team bus that brings us back after the lunch at Hyatt Place. And that is Lokesh Gosalia. On the bonus da Gabru, he brings him down again. And if my memory is right, this is his second tackle point. Sandeep Singh is ISP. He says Sabash, Sabash. What Mahesh said, he's only told his raiders. He said, go out there, have quick raids, come back in. And there on the defense, because Yuva Mumbai is all on the defense lines. There's a big, big roar and a grunt that came out from Lokesh Gosalia. And Sandeep Singh said, let the raiders deep inside and then tackle them. That's exactly what the team does, what he can do. And now do or die raid. This is a good situation for Gangaram to show that he can get some raid points. No, cannot break the chain. Prithviraj Shinde comes in for the support and Lokesh Gosalia. Yeah, this is a situation. Very correct. Here's my trip super tackle situation on. And I'll tell you what, it is Rushikesh Patil on that left corner. Dives in. Sachin Singh for the block. And Raghu Vanchi is trying to move out. Wow, this is the raid of the match. And raid of Yuva All-Stars Championship 2025. Wow. Raghu Vanchi, take a bow. Abhimanyu does not know to break the Chakravyu, but this lad knows to break it and come out of it.
Time out.
Naveen, he got his team a new teammate. He took the player all the way to his own team's lineup and he said, you might as well join our team. Take a look at this. An India won ATM star moment, and this is a good timeout call by Yuva Mumbai because I think the coach wants to just tell his players, let's stay calm in the moment. We have the lead. This should be our game. Let's.
And I'll tell you what, when Shivam Singh was ankle held by Deepak Kudu, Tejas Raut, bonus +1. Shivam Singh gets another bonus and another point.
Jersey number.
So when the last got the Yuva Mumbai going high now.
Indeed. And it's given Prithviraj a good chance to just kill the clock yet again. He will of course try the bonus. He did in the previous instance. I don't think he got it successfully though. We will know soon enough. But Yuva Yodha is trying to pressurize him to head back as soon as possible. And here, a last-ditch effort. Was it necessary? It makes no difference. Prithviraj has more or less sealed the game with that raid.
Oh, totally, totally. I'll tell you what, what's the score difference? And Yuva Yodhas will probably suffer their only third loss in the Yuva All-Stars Championship.
1 point.
What is the difference?
Yuva Yodhas.
They want a bonus point. Is Prithviraj Shinde, but he will not probably get it. Right? The score difference, of course, is just 4. So, oh, Yuva Mumbai wants to review this. They want to review this. They say bonus is on for us. We want that review. And Sandeep Singh says, take it. Take it. Who's going to do what? And now, since we have won the match and the score difference.
Thank you. Review successful. Bonus point. Yuva Mumbai.
Yuva Mumbai is happy. Sandeep Singh is happy. The coaching staff is happy. Yuva Mumbai have won this, and they probably will go on top of that points table. And yeah, probably going on top. Well, 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 well. What a victory. What
Does as we look at the summary, it is
the hospitality partners is Yashil Hotel, Hyatt Place. Travel Reward partner is East My Trip. Trusted ATM partner is India One. Official physio partner is Science Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences. Pradhan Times is our local news media partner, and Bhumanand Hospital is the official medical partner. Of course, all this streaming to you live and exclusive on fan code of the Yuva All Stars Championship 2025.